called fried long bean with tomatoes. Chinese name called 西红柿炒豇豆. The main ingredient we need a handful of long bean, white long bean, and 3 tomato. Any tomato is okay. And 1 scallion, 3 garlic, and 1 chili pepper. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the chili pepper. The chili pepper just cut like this. Cut it very small. Put it like this. The seeds is okay. Okay, we cut the garlic. The garlic we already peeled and cut this part off. The bottom part off. We don't need this. Then we slice it. Chop it like this. Okay, cut the scallion. We already washed and peeled the dry leaves and dry part. We just cut this root off. And cut it. Cut it like this. Those long beans we already washed. We need to cut this part that connects to the plants. This part you can't need to cut it off. You can punch it off, or just use a punch it off, or you can just use a knife to cut it off. It's up to you. Okay, those we throw. Then we cut it. We cut it to half, cut the middle. We cut it. We cut it not very long, but just this long. It's enough. Don't too deep, too long. Okay, we cut the tomato. The tomato we already washed. We just pan the tomato around, cut this part off, the connect part off. Yay! This part off. Then we cut it to half, and then cut it like this. This. With tomato. On the stove. Medium flame. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Rinse the pot. We add the scallion, garlic, and chili pepper into the oil to slowly fry. We don't need the oil too hot because the chili pepper I don't want to burn and then make the whole house is so choking. So we don't need it with the oil very hot to add to it. The garlic, chili pepper and the scallion release good smell. We add the long beans into it to fry. Now we add the tomato into it to fry them together. This is 13 spices. If you don't have Chinese 13 spices, add some spices. If you don't have both, you can add just a pinch of black pepper to it. This is soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is salt. We add a half teaspoon salt to it. Don't add too much. If it's not enough, you can add more later, but don't add too much at one time. This is a chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. It around the pot. Put the lid on and let it slowly cook until the long bean is fully cooked. Okay, we mix it and check the long bean. You see. The long bean is fully cooked. So this dish is done. We turn off the stove.
You have to go. Now I have to restart the game. Get back.
So the fried long bean with tomatoes, this dish is done. I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you next time.